Hello, my amazing students. Welcome back to our fine arts class. Remember, my name is Mrs. Redmond. You can call me Mrs. R. So we are going to learn about color theory today. Our main word for today is going to be primary. So with our primary colors, we will move on to that lesson. But first, we have to start our class with our hello song. So if you can stand up wherever you are, I hope you can stand. If not, you can stay seated, but try to do that body percussion with me. Remember, with body percussion, that means that we are using our bodies to make sounds. So let's remind ourselves what we do with body percussion. Show me a snap, clap, pat, and stomp. Good. Next, we're going to talk about tempo. So with tempo, the speed of the music. When I use my words, that is changing the tempo. So if I say them really fast, the tempo is fast. If I do it slower, that means the tempo is slower. That's how you'll know the tempo. So we'll be going from slower to faster, then we'll be practicing it with our song. So let's start with all four together. Ready, set, here we go. Snap, clap, pat, stomp. Ready, set, here we go. Snap, clap, pat, stomp. Great. Next, we're going to make it a little bit faster. So don't go faster than me. I want you to try to keep with the tempo. Ready, set, here we go. Snap, clap, pat, stomp. Ready, set, here we go. Snap, clap, pat, stomp. Good. I hope you guys got the tempo. If not, always rewind this video to get it down. Next, we're going to go a little bit faster. That doesn't mean you go as fast as you can yet, okay? So let's try it again. Remember, go with my words. Ready, set, here we go. Snap, clap, pat, stomp. Ready, set, here we go. Snap, clap, pat, stomp. Yay, we did it. Next, we're going to do it with our welcome song. So remember, those first two body percussions, they are going with the tempo of the song, which is still slow. The last one is going to be very fast. So remember, the first two are still slow. Hello, everybody, hello. Hello, everybody, hello. Hello, everybody, hello, everybody. Hello, everybody, hello. Good. We're going to do it one more time because I know I can go faster than that. You try it too. Hello, everybody, hello. Hello, everybody, hello. Hello, everybody, hello, everybody. Hello, everybody, hello. All right, I hope you guys went as fast as me. Let's move on. So we're going to be doing color theory today. What color theory means is you're studying color. We have primary, secondary, and tertiary. I know those are some crazy words, but for primary, that's all we're learning for today. With color theory, you see this everywhere. So think of the building that you're in or the house that you're in. Maybe when you go to a theme park, there's color theory everywhere. The way colors match and mesh together, color theory. Maybe your house, you have all these different colors. Maybe you have a brown table, and so you try to match some brown things on your wall. That is color theory as well. Color theory is even in your clothes. So whenever you look at the colors that you're wearing, people base off of the color of the shirt to any designs that they have on it. They try to match and mix match those colors. So let's move on to first, I want to ask this question. What would the world look like without art? Has anyone ever thought of that? Of what if we didn't have art in this world? I know that right now everyone says that it's just for fun, but with art, it's in everything. Let's say you watch someone sing or someone dance. That's a form of art too. So think of what the world would look like. It'd be kind of gloomy, right? We wouldn't see many colors. So what I think is this is the way it would look to me. It would be very black and white. Black and white, they're pretty good colors, but what if we didn't have any pizzazz in our life? What if we didn't have any art to look at? Even outside is art. If you've ever looked at the clouds and try to guess what shapes they are, that is art, and it's natural art. So I think it would be kind of gloomy. the world without art. So if you want to let me know in the comments below what you think the world would look like without art, that would be great. So we're going to move on to primary colors. Why are they important? Can we see these colors right here? Red, yellow, and blue. These are the primary colors. That means they're the first colors to make the other colors. So the reason why they're primary is that they come naturally from our environment. They are made out of natural things. These are not man-made first. Thousands and thousands of years ago, these were the main colors that people used because they came naturally from resources from our earth. So why are they important? These three colors are what allow us to create all the other colors, even shades of black and gray and white. When you mix all the colors together, sometimes they make black. So these are the first ones you use, primary first. So I hope you guys get what primary colors are. Red, yellow, blue. I will do a little song later on about primary colors so we can remember them, and we'll add some body percussion to it. Next, we're going to talk about our artist. His name is Piet Mondrian. Try to say it with me. Piet Mondrian. He is an abstract artist. This is a t-shirt that we'll be doing for our lesson for this week. So Piet Mondrian, he was born in 1872 and passed away in 1944, which is about maybe 50 years ago or so. So we have Piet Mondrian, and it's abstract. What abstract means is that they're using lines and shapes and colors to grab the person's attention that's looking at it. So if you didn't know, back in this day, this wasn't a thing. They thought, oh, that's not art, because art at that time when he was born, it was naturalistic, which means like the Mona Lisas and landscape paintings where you can see everything that would be naturally in our environment. So does this look like it would be naturally in our environment? No, this is using lines and shapes. No one was used to it. So a lot of people were like, nah, that's not art. That's something else. Well, guess what? Now we have a bunch of artists that were influenced by this work. And if you ever go to a hotel or go to a restaurant, some restaurants have pops of color and they're just shapes. Let me know if you've ever seen a restaurant or a hotel where it's basically just any triangle, circle, squares, and big lines, bold lines with just big pops of color. People still use it. It might not look exactly like this, but people still are influenced by it, which means they kind of take a little bit from it to make their own art. So this is what he was mainly known for. He does have other artwork, but this is what everyone knows Piet Mondrian for. He was a very important artist at this time. He used red, yellow, and blue that are the primary colors, but we see black, right? We're not going to focus on that, but it is in there, but we're gonna focus on the rest of his shirt. So we have Mondrian, and he really influenced all these artists that were designers, architects that did furniture and even fashion. So it's really cool how this started a whole new era of art. So as you can see right here, we have our shirts. This is an example of just coloring in our shirt, and these are the questions we'll be answering. So with the shirt, we have these questions. I only made text boxes for a few of these because some of these are a little too small for us to write in, but in the classroom we're also doing this. So it's really cool to see that you guys and the classroom are doing both of this project together. So what superhero would you be? Describe your special power, your top 3 goals. It can be any goals. Maybe you want to learn how to read a certain level of a book, or you want to learn how to bake a cake. Any goal that you want to learn this year. Don't forget your first name and your last name on it, and your homeroom teacher, which is your remote teacher, your homeroom remote teacher. You can make the world better by, give me an example of how you can make the world better. It can be just spreading kindness. Maybe you're learning something new and you'll share that that talent with someone else. Something I find enjoyable at school, you're doing a lot of remote stuff, so tell me something you find enjoyable. And then something challenging. What's challenging for you during this time of remote learning? And we also have, I feel happy when. So tell me when you feel happy. Maybe it's when you eat. Or maybe it's when you play with a sibling. Maybe it's when your parents get home. So give me anything on there. These other ones, they were too small, but you can always choose to add a text box. On this template, I only put a text box in a few of them. That is our primary lesson. This is the t-shirt you'll be doing, and you'll send that right back to me. Don't forget to color it with that highlighter tool. When I colored it, I kept my finger on the screen because if you color and then lift and then color again, it'll kind of overlap and make a piece of the color a little bit darker. So try to keep that finger down, and then if you go outside the lines, you can always use the eraser tool to get rid of everything that was outside of those lines. So I hope you guys enjoyed this primary color lesson. That'll be it for this lesson, and I will see you guys next week.